Today we are going to Cappadocia, or Cappadocia if you're in Turkey, you should pronounce it this way. Cappadocia is a historical region in central Anatolia. Cappadocia has a long history. Herodotus mentioned the region in 499 before Christ. This region has a lot of stories and legends, but I'm not going to recite all of them. I just want you to feel the vibe of this place, because when you're here, it's hard not to fall in love with Cappadocia. Okay, I got to the Cappadocia, just look at my happy face. It's really cool here, it's night. I'll show you around at the daytime tomorrow, so now I just want to say that I'm really glad, and to me it looks like some magic place. It's like some fairy tale. Okay, let's see how it works. Oh, wow, interesting.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
It's like show. Oh. Wow.
Chicken?
Okay guys, let me show the place where I stayed for today. It's really impressive place. First of all, it's beautiful. Look at this area. And second of all, my room is in the cave. So, well, basically, it's just cave hotel. I would even cave hostel. And I took a bed in the cave. Okay, just 1 second. I'll show you. Well, okay, now we enter in this cave. Look at this. Wow. I've got a bed here. Right in the cave. Okay, this is how Göreme looks like when it's not in the beautiful part. It's just like main street. It's a lot of construction works here. Yeah, but it's still good and nice, and I'm going to visit a couple seasides, and I'm going to walk with you through this through this town. Well, okay, let's enjoy together. To be honest, I didn't expect that this place would be so cool and atmospheric. I saw a lot of videos about Cappadocia and heard a lot of stories of my friends who've been here before, but when you're in Cappadocia, you feel absolutely differently. Okay, now we're going to the horse farm. Well, actually, I'm planning horseback riding, but a little bit later, maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, because I just want to walk around and just want to feel the vibe of this place. So, okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, here they are, the horses. And do you guys know that Cappadocia is translated as a land of beautiful horses? And here they are. They're so curious. I came to their home, and they want to pet. Yeah. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, guys, I just want you to travel with me and just feel the vibe of this beautiful place, because if you want, you can easily find any touristic videos, like any very good filmed video. But what I want to do, I want you to feel this vibe and feel my emotions, feel how it looks inside, that I want to transfer to you. And well, I hope I managed to do that. Please leave a comment if I did it or not. Do you feel this Cappadocian vibe yet or not yet? And if you're not feeling it right now, just carry on watching. Mountains in Cappadocia are formed from different types of rock, and when one type is eroded, another type remains the same. That's why you can see a lot of bizarre rocks. Some of them will make you blush. In one version, Cappadocia also translated as a land of beautiful horses. And you also can see here a lot of these animals, and they are really gorgeous. Okay, we reached some nice mountains. It's supposed to be a Rose Valley. Well, I don't know what is inside. It looks like some caves. Let's figure it out. It seems like here's the entrance, and you can go inside the cave. Well, it seems dangerous, but I think it would be dangerous. It just would be impossible to get inside. So let's see what's going on. All this place looks like abandoned hotel. I don't know, because look at this. It seems like here used to be some construction works. Well, but still it's cool. Yeah, let's walk a little bit more. When I was in Cappadocia, I saw a lot of tourists from around the world. Some of them came from such distant areas as India, Australia or South America. And it didn't surprise me, because Cappadocia is really worth 8-hour flight to see it. Okay, we're entering the Love Valley. And why do people call it like this? We'll know soon. I'll show you guys. Now I think you understand why do they call it Love Valley. It's a lot of in the air, you know. Magic. Okay, hit a like if you like this Love Valley. Here are the rocks I mentioned before. Did they make you blush? Please write in comments below. And okay guys, now I want you just to relax and enjoy the views. Okay guys, now we entered another beautiful place. This small city, just 2 kilometers from Göreme, and it's beautiful. It also has cemetery. Well, and it's very beautiful mountains, and as you can see in the distance, it's some kind of cave hotel. We'll go there and figure it out. Okay, I got it here. I'll be soon there upstairs. And there are a lot of hotels there everywhere, and a lot of cave hotels, you know. It's interesting. Yeah, they made in a cave. Cappadocia is a perfect place for hiking. Anywhere you go, you can find beautiful places. My smartwatch showed me around 30,000 steps every day. Okay, I could make it till here. Those caves, well, and I think it's just not really impossible, but look at this. It may be like 50 meters above the ground, and I just don't want to go higher because I'm pretty much exhausted already, and it's so high. So I think I just stay here. Give you just say hi. As I told, Cappadocia is perfect for hiking and walking. But if you don't like it, you can easily find another way to move. For example, you can rent a quad bike or take a horse walk. Okay, I'm in the city, Göreme, again. That city is just town. And there are so many cave hotels upstairs. Well, let's see. It's very beautiful here. Very beautiful. Okay, entrance to the sunset point, by the way, it's not free. You have to pay like 5 Turkish lira. Now we're going to there just to see some nice view sunset. And if you like good cardio training, you might like the way up to the sunset point. go to the market, and then you see people, they're like in floors, they having breakfast. Oh, it's good. Bon appetit. The first thing that comes to mind when you hear about Cappadocia is hot air balloons. I've never seen hot air balloons while they're on yours. They are really huge. Balloons start before dawn, so you should be disciplined in order to not oversleep your flight. Prices in Cappadocia are really low, but some activities, especially in high season, can cost you a lot. For example, hot air balloon ride will cost you around $150 or even more. But if you don't want to pay this amount of money, it's okay. You can just come to the starting point and watch the balloons starting. You can also take a lot of cool pictures here. Guys, I've got to another city and I have a little bit sore voice because I went for the balloon today to see how they start. It was very cold. It was 5 and it was like +5, and now it's about 3 o'clock of midday, and I'm wearing shorts. So the temperature here in the mountains it's quite different. Yeah. Well, I was going to go back to Göreme and I took bus to Avanos because it goes by Göreme, but it doesn't. Well, and so now Avanos, and seems like a very nice touristic place, very nice touristic area. Well, and I just explore this area a little bit and see what's going on around. Okay, I found some nice neighborhood. Well, it's not like really nice, but it's interesting. It looks really authentic. It's also like a lot of hotels everywhere. Well, I don't even know what to do in Avanos. Maybe should I go this way? Okay, guys, basically it's just nice city to explore, to walk. Well, but nothing really interesting here. Well, a couple museums, but I don't like museums really because, as I told, I like to feel the vibe of the place. I'm not really a big fan of like some historical places, and I think if you want to see them, you can like easily Google or find like another YouTube video. So I'm just trying to show you the vibe, the real life in the city. Well, and if I'm doing well, please don't be shy and hit a like. In Avanos, I have seen the scariest thing in my life. It was hair museum. I will show it to you later. But the city itself is very cool, and I like this special Turkish vibes, with a lot of cats and chill people. Avanos also famous for this pot makery, so they're making pots from the glue. Well, from the clay, I mean, and they sell them. This is the hair museum. It's located in the cave. It's not allowed to take pictures there, but I did some. Have a look. All of these are hair. As I've been told, this museum started as a love story, but actually it looks like creep of some maniac. Ceramic museum, which located in the same cave, much better. Okay, guys, I think it's time to finish this because it was the creepiest thing I ever seen in my life, because it looks like some maniac, like he's collecting all this hair, and I was so scared. Not really scared. It was like disgusting. I spent like 20 seconds at this museum, and I decided, okay, I'm done with that. But probably some people, well, oh fuck, I'm just feel like I feel dirty, it's creepy. Can you please let me know in the comments, is it really creepy to you, or maybe not, or maybe you like the idea to collect such many hair in one place? Jesus Christ, it's disgusting. Okay, guys, I found some place in Cappadocia, and this is with masterpieces, like items that is created by Cappadocian masters. Some of them cost like million liras, which is like 200, which is like 200,000 euros a piece. Jesus Christ, it's really expensive. Well, it's empty, empty shop. Well, but you can find any like cups for actually like 20 years and still very expensive compared to another. Before we carry on, I want to show you another part of Avanos. This is a bridge, which is really famous. A lot of people taking picture there. I'm not sure it's really special, but have a look. Okay, this shaking bridge is one of the local suicide place. Everyone's doing pictures here, even the locals, yeah.